Hello and welcome to my channel and video, and in today's episode I am going to show you how you can combine music and a picture in order to make money on YouTube. Stay tuned.
Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos only to get paid a few cents for watching, let's say, like 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. Let's learn how right now.
Okay, so in this video, guys, I'm going to show you another way that you can make money from home in a very easy way by using YouTube and combining it with music and a picture. So you don't need to show your face and you don't need to speak. It's simple and easy to make a lot of money online. And you have bills to pay, or you just want to buy something really nice for the family, take them out for a quick vacation. Well, you can do it and you can make money doing it. Lots of money.
Hello and welcome to the video. A few instructions before we begin this tutorial. Number 1, do not skip ahead because you might miss a crucial step in the instructions that could get you confused, mad, and blow up. Okay, well maybe not blow up, but you know what I mean. I will guide you step by step, so do not skip ahead. Number 2, if you need to pause this video in case you are taking notes, please feel free to do so. Number 3, turn off all distractions, close out of all other programs, and turn off your phone and pay attention. And as always, please like this video if you love the content. I know you will. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I load up a new video. Leave a comment and share this with everyone on social media. That would be tremendous. I would really appreciate that. Okay, with all this, let's jump into the video and learn how to make money right now.
Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a video using just a picture and a song. Now, you're probably going, wow, well, won't all this stuff be all copyrighted up? And no, it's not. And the beauty about YouTube is that it has a place where you can go and download music for free without any copyright strikes or any of that nonsense. So it's very, very user-friendly, and you can get paid to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get into it, I want to show you a couple of different channels that are doing this right now. And one of the channels is called Audio Library, Music for Content Creators, and this is their channel. And as you can see, I have TubeBuddy running so I can find out what's going on with this channel. If you don't have TubeBuddy, it's a free download. You can just do a Google search and download it. It's very simple. So it's telling me that they have 721 million views with over 2,000 videos. And in the last 30 days, they've gotten 9.5 million views with 33 videos that they've had. This is doing very well. The only problem with this, and I'll get into it a little bit more, is that a lot of their videos, as you see here, are around 3 to 4 minutes. Some are short, some are long, but they're averaging around 4 minutes long. From what I understand, and I could be wrong here, but don't quote me on this, that the videos have to be 8 minutes in order for them to be monetized. So I'm going to show you a quick way that even if you're not if you don't have your channel monetized, that I'll show you a quick and easy method for you to make some money off of your videos anyway, if you're not monetized or part of the YouTube partnership. But anyways, from what I understand, is that the videos have to be 8 minutes in length. Now you're going, well, okay, how are these guys making their money? That's interesting. But let's go and see one of these videos that they have. Now, they have official music releases on this playlist, the log list, and no copyright music releases, and 100% free and safe music. But let's go ahead and check out one of these things. This is called Dreamers.
My first YouTube video.
Oh, this is just an
30
ad.
seconds
See,
to
they're
video
running
launch.
ads on
Loading footage. Complete. Footage found. Embedding video. Check. Searching abstract. Check. Cinematic police chase. Check. We are going for
Sorry
a
if
countdown.
that's too
Optimized.
loud. So it just keeps on going like that. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time doing that. I'm just giving you an idea of what they do. They have a little support area here if they have a Patreon account, so you can go ahead and click that and toss them some change. You can download and save all this stuff, but what they do is that when you hit this, it'll go to a common Creative Commons area where you can download it or file upload. I'll get into that in just a moment, but basically all they are doing is taking a picture, okay, and putting in a little bit of editing, not a whole lot. They're asking for a subscription, but it's only 2 minutes long. So they're not making money off of the advertising revenue. They're doing it by other means, and that is something I'm going to show you. However, there's a way around this. All you have to do is loop this on the video editing software to 8 minutes or longer. And then you can get all the advertising revenue. So let's see how this channel is working so you guys understand the power of this. They're making anywhere from $150 to $2,400 per month, with an estimated yearly earnings of $1.8 thousand to $28.8 thousand. So you probably say, okay, we'll cut that somewhere in between. So they're making approximately $18,000 a year doing this, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Not bad. Not bad at all. And it looks like they're from India. Okay. So let's go see another one, just so you know, just so you are aware that this works. All right, here's another one. It's called No Copyright Sounds. And basically, they take a picture and they upload sounds or music to that. And again, they're short videos, except for one that's over an hour long. But the majority of them are short. And they do other things like podcasts and things like that. But again, this is what they've been doing. All right, and all of this stuff is all the content is free. So you go over to this and it says no copyright sounds, and they get an A rank. They're out of Great Britain or the UK, and they're making anywhere from $24,000 all the way up to $385,000 per month. Now, Social Blade has reworked how people are making money, so it's a lot more realistic. They're making a yearly earnings of $288,800 to over $4 million. Boom! I took a look at this and I was starting to pull my hair out and going bald. It's like, Bob, you're doing something really, 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 really too complicated. These guys made it simple. All right, let's see what they're doing today. It's Friday. They have 31.8 million subscribers with video views of 3.3, actually about 3.4 million views. So they've earned today anywhere from $849 up to over $13,600. I have to get my eyes checked, I'm sorry. Not bad. How would you guys like to make that on a consistent basis? Wouldn't that be awesome? Yeah. Well, you can. And I'm going to show you how right now. So the first place we want to check out to download our pictures is called Pexels, right? And you can get videos, you can get pictures. If you want to add in some animations, I do believe they have them there, as well as green screen like I did in the previous videos. So, which reminds me, if you have not seen my 2 previous videos about how to do this, please go see them right now. They are shared right there. Boom! Boom! Okay, right there. So, another place that you can go and get some pictures and videos is called Pixabay. All right? They're free for you to use. Pexels, free for you to use and download. Okay? As you can see, I have been doing stuff like beach. Let's check out beach. Beach videos are popular. Also, cityscapes at night, also very popular. So you select one of these, right? Let's select this one. We are on Pexels, but Pixabay, they're the same thing. But don't just go ahead and hit free download. What you want to do is you want to hit a custom size. So it's going to fill up the entire video space, and it's also going to stop that little black bar that goes all the way around. So what you want to do for the video is 1920 by 1080. That's for the video. And then you hit free download. I'm not going to do that here right now. But for the thumbnail, you also want to take the same picture. And for this thumbnail, you want it 1280 by 720. Oop. There we go. By 720. And download that. And make sure that you save that file with the word thumbnail, or TMBN for short, just so you understand which one is which. It makes it easier. All right, so you got those downloaded, right? Next thing you need to do is go over to YouTube's studio, and this assumes that you have an account and that you are putting in videos. If you don't have an account, go look up how to do that. I'm not going to spend time doing that right now. I am assuming that you have an account. All right, so, and then in the video editing area or creative studio, there's a list of things over here. You want to click on audio library, and then you have thousands upon thousands of music and sounds and other effects that you can put up here. And each one is copyright free to use. They're Creative Commons, 100% free. You won't get any copyright strikes. Okay? So you can download any of these songs and put them together. What I would do, just so the video can be monetized, and this is something that people kind of glazed over, and they don't realize this. If you want advertising revenue from this, you need to have the videos over 8 minutes long. So you're going to grab a bunch of these, all right? And then you want to put up a picture, a different picture per song, okay? And I'll show you how to do that in just a second. What you want to do next, after you downloaded 2 or 3 or 4 different songs, as well as 2 or 3 different types of pictures that would go along with this, then you go into OpenShot, okay? And then OpenShot Video Editor. It's free for you to use. You can use it on a Mac. You can use it on Windows or Linux. And then go ahead and download that. And what you do is you put your video or your picture on there, and then you combine it with the music. And it should automatically go ahead and put it in its different areas. All right. What I use on my system is iMovie. I'm not going to show you that right now because I am actually videotaping this, so it's completely different than what you will see. And then you combine those together. So one line will have your pictures, and then the line below will have your music. If you don't want to have different music, different types of music or songs and pictures, you can also loop the picture and the song so it's over 8 minutes, and then you can get your advertising revenue. So it's very simple for you to do. One problem with all of this, guys, and that is, how the heck are you going to get traffic? How the heck are you going to get subscribers, right? Let's say you don't have any of that. I'm going to show you a quick trick so you can make some money, even if you're not monetized. I told you I'd do that, and I had to save this little bonus till the very end. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so here is a website that you can, when you download your song, okay, you can re-upload that song to your account on File Upload. To use this, you simply log in, or if you don't have an account yet, hit sign up. It's free for you to use, and they've paid out a lot of money, all right? So anytime someone downloads that song that you uploaded here, then you get paid. And you put the link to that song in the description in your with your video, and you put it like this person did. So this is how they get paid. All right, very simple. And they download it, and what I would also use is a bit.ly link so you can track your success. So I hope you got some great information about how to make money off of YouTube using other people's content that is free, and you can use it how you like it. So if you got some great information out of this, please hit that like button, and also please subscribe to my channel so you can get some more tips and tricks on how to make money online. And when you do subscribe, click that little bell icon so you can get notified when I put up a new video. This is Bob. Thank you for watching, and make your day awesome. See ya. Stay tuned. Some more habits are coming up.